In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an HTML website on Hostinger, whether you're just getting started with web hosting or you're looking to move your site. Understanding how to upload your website is essential. Let's dive in and break this process down step by step. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Hostinger homepage. So open up your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Hostinger. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. If you're sure everything is entered correctly, you should find yourself in your main dashboard known as the H panel. From the H panel, look towards the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see several options here, but the one we need is labeled Websites. Click on it and this will take you to the Websites section. Now that you're in the Websites section, you're likely seeing a list of currently hosted sites, or perhaps a clean slate if this is your first site. What we're doing next is adding a new website. To get started, look for a button that says Add Website and click on it. This will prompt a few options to choose from. Among these options, you'll spot Custom PHP HTML Website. This is exactly what we need for uploading our HTML files. Click on this option to move forward. This selection lets you upload your HTML or even PHP files, but today we'll stick to uploading HTML. Once you click on the Custom PHP HTML Website option, you'll be prompted to choose a domain. If you have a domain connected to your Hostinger account, you can select it here. Otherwise, you might consider adding a new one. Afterwards, you're going to be directed to a new page that allows you to upload your website files. Here, you'll use the File Manager to navigate your local files and select the HTML files you want to upload. You can drag and drop them, or use the Upload Files button for easier navigation. Make sure all the necessary files, including any CSS or JavaScript files your site might need, are selected. When you've finished uploading your files, there will be a brief moment where Hostinger processes your upload, so be patient. Once the files are uploaded successfully, you'll see them listed there, confirming everything is in place. And there you have it. Your HTML website is now uploaded and ready to go live for the world to see. Remember, if you make any further changes to your local files, you'll need to upload the updated versions again to reflect these changes on your live site. We hope this guide has made the process of uploading your HTML website on Hostinger simple and straightforward. Don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher, and happy hosting!